Are you looking for an effective and reusable container for your personal care products? Well, I got an answer for you. Introducing Bottom Fill Deodorant Tubes. Hi, I'm Terry with Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils to make natural products. Today I'm going to show you how to use these amazing Bottom Fill Deodorant Tubes. They can be used for DIY deodorants, solid lotions, and body care balms. This tube lets you control the ingredients you are putting on your largest organ, your skin. Plus, this tube gives your products a professional look. First, I'm going to show you the parts of the Bottom Fill Deodorant Tube. Okay, let me name the parts for you. The 1-inch circle base plug, white lid, clear inner cap, and the tube. You want to make sure that your plug is detached if it arrived attached. Make sure that this plug is all the way down. It twists up and down. You want it all the way down so you have the most available space to fill. Put the inner cap in the lid. If this is not seated properly, when you pour your product into the bottom of the deodorant tube, it will not seal and you will have a leak. So make sure that this is on straight. Place the tube on the cap. Place on your surface upside down so that you can fill from the bottom. Next, pour your mixture into the deodorant tube from the bottom. Do not overfill. Insert the plug, place this in the fridge to cool. Make sure you store it upside down, just like this. Once cool, don't forget to label it. Here's a finished product that I just made. If you want to reuse the container again, once you've emptied your product, you want to use a tool like a stick or something similar. I'm using this. Go in from the top. You need to angle it until you reach the bottom, and your goal is to push this out. Voila! Clean, and you can reuse and make any DIY product you want that's appropriate for the tube. Thank you for watching.